Hello students, we have already seen or we have already started application variable state management in previous video. This is the next part. If you don't know about what is mean by the application variable, or it is recommended to see the previous part of it and then see this part, which is second part of application variable, where we can do the functionality of total users and online or active users. So we have already displayed the total views on the default.aspx. Now we display in this video total user count and online users or active user count. So here I'm going towards the site master, and I'm adding one more label to display the total users, and once again to display the active users. So here we are adding some spaces. I am removing the text property of these labels. Now, on label 3 we display total user count, and on label 4 we display active user count. So here I am going towards the global.asax, and whenever application started, we are storing the application inside application variable total user count. Total users we are storing as 0. This is the initial value, and inside application online users we are storing 0. Whenever application started, these two values are initialized. Then when session starts, our application variable value total users is equal to application of total users we need to typecast here object into integer variable. Then inside application variable we store incremented value, means we are incremented the total users value. In the same way we do for the online users. Okay, for online users I am changing the variable name total users to online users, and here also I am giving the online users. So whenever session starts, total users we need to increase by 1, and also online users we need to increase by 1. Now whenever session ends, we need to decrease the online users by 1. So only this functionality we need to do, and nothing related to total users. Total users are as it is, but online users we need to decrease by 1 whenever a user is logged out. Okay, at that time online users will be decreased by 1. So this is the updation only. We need to display this count. So we go towards the session site.master. Inside site.master we need to display label 3 we use for total users. Label 3.text is equal to total users, and inside this constant string we need to display the application variables total users. Use the key, same key, otherwise there may be error. Inside label 4 we need to display online user count, and here online or active users. So this is the simple way. If we run this application, from where we run, we save all our changes and go towards the login page and run. See what is the output here. I'm closing the previous windows. Here I am logging and see total views 1, total users 1, online users 1, and here is welcomear@gmail.com. If I refresh the page, then total views are incremented. Now if I go towards the about.aspx, then again go towards the home page. Now here this session ID is inside URL. If we are changing the property as cookieless to false, then that session ID will be stored inside browser's cookie. So we change here the property inside web.config. Here we are setting the property as cookieless true, but I am changing this property. I am removing, and once again I am logging because I don't want to cookieless property as true. Now here I am running the page once again and log into site. Here now we are not seeing the any session ID. So here once again, if I refresh the page, that total views are changing. When I go towards the about page and then again go towards the home page, total views are incremented. Now if I copy this URL and go towards another browser and paste, then session ID for this web page is different. Okay, session for this is different and session ID for this website is different. So we are changing, or we are seeing the total user count here is 2, online users is 2, and also inside this is the old page. If we are refreshing, then we go or we can see here total users are 2 and online users are also 2. Now whenever user logged out, then we need to change this online users value as 1, because one user is logged out. But we need to change some code here inside logout button code. Where is the logout button? Here is the logout button. Here we need to change, or we need to add one method, abandon. Okay, whenever user logged out, this method we need to call, and we see, or we log in once again to our website. Now this is the total users and online users. Now if I go towards this browser, see total views are 9, again total views are 10. Now if I logged out and close my browser. Then we are going towards the Chrome browser, and if I click on a refresh, total users are 3 but online users are 2. Okay, when I go towards again, again I'm opening the Internet Explorer and going towards the login page. Here once again I'm going towards the login page and login. We are going towards the customer page here. Let's see what happens for the different users. Here we are moving towards the order.aspx. So this is the customer home page and this is not the site.master. So we need to log in with the admin only, because we are doing the code at site.master and not for customer master page. So here total users are 4 and online users are now 3. Now if I'm log out, if I'm refreshing the page, what happens? We are logging once again. See here, total users are 2 and online users are 2. And inside this page, total users are 2 and online users are 2. Now if I'm clicking on logout, then again, I'm seeing the total users are 4 and online users are 3. Again, if I log out, see here total users are 5 and online users are 3. So all the time total users are not less than online users. Whenever online user is decreased or whenever user logged out, that online user count we are decreasing. So all the time online users count is less than or equal to total users, but online users are not more than total user count. So in this way you can maintain or you can save the count values or online user count or total user count or number of views inside the application variable, and these values we can access inside all the pages of our application. Similarly, if you remember, we need to access the query string, connection string we need to access in all the pages. So you can store the connection string inside the application variable and use that application variable whenever we need to connect to your website. That connection string we can also store inside application variable and use inside all the pages. So this is the entire application related value and not the user specific value. So in this way we can use the application variable inside our website. And this is the server based state management. Values of application variable are not stored on client side but on server side. So it is more secure than the client based state management. So see you in next video for cookies. So thank you.